This is a story about a small village where many people were getting sick with diarrhea. At first, they tried to ignore the problem, hoping it would go away on its own. But as time passed, the situation only got worse. More and more people were affected. The local doctor were alerted, and he immediately launched an investigation to identify the source of the outbreak. He found that the water supply in the village had been contaminated by fecal matter, likely from the nearby river. The villagers had been using the river as a source of water for drinking, cooking, and washing. The symptoms of diarrhea included abdominal cramps, bloating, nausea, and frequent, loose bowel movements. The villagers, including children and the elderly, were suffering from dehydration, which can be dangerous if left untreated. To prevent the spread of the disease, the doctor advised the villagers to boil all water before drinking, washing fruits and vegetables before consuming them, and washing their hands thoroughly before preparing food or eating. He also advised the villagers to dispose of human waste properly and avoid defecating in open fields or near water sources. As for treatment, he distributed oral rehydration solutions, ORS, to the villagers, which help replace lost fluids and minerals. They also prescribed antibiotics to individuals with severe cases of diarrhea to help fight the infection. The villagers were advised to rest and avoid strenuous activities until they had fully recovered. The villagers followed the doctor's advice, and slowly but surely, the cases of diarrhea decreased. Here are some home remedies for diarrhea. 1. Stay hydrated. It's important to drink plenty of fluids, including water, clear broth, herbal tea, and electrolyte-rich drinks like sports drinks or coconut water, to replace the fluids lost through diarrhea. 2. Eat a bland diet. Stick to simple, bland foods like rice, bananas, applesauce, toast, and boiled potatoes until your symptoms improve. 3. Probiotics. Probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut can help replenish the beneficial bacteria in your gut, which can help reduce diarrhea. 4. Practice good hygiene. Wash your hands regularly with soap and water, especially before eating or preparing food, to prevent the spread of harmful bacteria or viruses that can cause diarrhea. In conclusion, the story of the small village teaches us the importance of cleanliness and hygiene. By taking simple but necessary steps like boiling drinking water, washing hands, building toilets, and properly disposing of waste, the villagers were able to improve their health and prevent diseases like diarrhea. This story reminds us that good health is essential for a happy and fulfilling life, and we should all take responsibility for keeping ourselves and our surroundings clean and hygienic.